Let's talk about the eCampus. So we have a module for eCampus. Let me show you how it works. So this is the link. You can log in with the login ID password. So here if you see, you have an eCampus here. So eCampus is a module where the faculties will be able to upload course materials, they can upload links, PPTs, study materials, and the students will be able to download these materials and study. Like, so if you see here, select course, batch, specialization for that particular course, and then for that particular batch, with the specialization, you can upload materials. For example, like BA, and then for the 2015 batch, specialization, if it's like computers, so you can actually upload materials related to computers. So this is the file name, and then you can give the link here and then click on upload link. So you can upload this into your website. So we can give a link to your website where the students will be able to go click on that link and then see whatever the materials have been uploaded. Likewise, you can also upload links. For example, if you want to give a YouTube link of something, you can do a bulk upload. Maybe there are like 5 to 10 links that you want to upload. We have given a bulk upload option. If you see the sample, click on view sample, and this Excel sheet, you can see this is the YouTube links, and you can directly upload it. You can choose the file and then upload the tutorials. So these will be the links that are being uploaded, and you can also upload materials like PPTs, PDF, Word documents, anything can be uploaded here. So once everything is uploaded, you can actually have a grid view of the materials that have been uploaded for that particular batch. So you can select BCom and then the batch and see what all have been uploaded till now. So this way you can have a forum where the students are getting benefited. So after your class hours, if you want someone to read a reference note, or if you want them to see a tutorial, you can do the same using this platform.